Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Among Us, so let's get started. To draw this cute character from this cool game, let's first start by drawing the helmet visor area. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to start with a curve. So I'm going to go across, but before I finish this side, I'm going to come to this side right here and round off this corner, bring it down kind of straight a little bit, not too much, just a curve coming down. So we're kind of drawing this oval shape here. It's like a weird shape. There's no right or wrong way. You just kind of want to bring in this oval. And about right here, I'm going to start to bring it down, taper it in, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So I'm just trying to follow the character as much as possible for this shape right here. There, so something like that. Looks like a rock, right? Okay, so then from there we can come out a little bit from this visor area, come out, say about this much, and I'm going to start to draw the suit, the spacesuit. So let's come up, we're going to round it off, bring it to the top, so say about this much. We're going to bring it right there and then start to come down a tiny bit. And we're just going to tuck it right in here. You know what? We've gone a little too low. It's like the simplest drawing ever, but then when you start to draw it, it's not as simple as you think. It's like the simplest ones are the hardest because you have to get it exactly right or it looks weird, right? Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down. And I'm going to give it a slight curve. I'm not going to go straight down. I kind of still want it a little bit roundish. So pop it back out right here. And then we're going to just bring this down more. And about right in this area, right center, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. And then I'm going to start to draw the legs. So right here and here, I'm going to start to connect it. And on this side. So this one's going to pop in a little bit. And connect. There. Okay. So then now the backpack area right here in the back. So let's come about, let's say the visor is about right here. And I'm just going to pop out this rounded off kind of rectangle shape. And just tuck it right back in. There. And it's all done. That's it. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to color it because that's what makes it really special. It's just the shadows on this drawing here. And of course, it's all about being different colors in this game, right? So today I'm just going to color this one red. And let's get started. I'm just using your basic Crayola markers and some color pencils. So they're all done. I really hope I made this easy for you to follow along with me to draw and color this cute character from Among Us. So as you're coloring it, you can make them all different colors, but the main idea is whatever color you choose to find a darker version of it for the shadow area and for the helmet area right here. And so because I was using these basic Crayola markers, I'm very limited in the colors that I have. So that's why I went ahead and used color pencil as well to try to achieve these different colors. But other than that, that is pretty much it. And so I hope you had fun, and thanks so much for watching. And if you loved this video, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.